Recently, the GeoCue team hosted an engaging 2-day workshop for our distributors from across the United States. This event showcased our latest TrueView products, including the cost-effective engineering-grade sensor, the TrueView 540, and we shared significant updates to our LP360 3D processing software. But the highlight of the meeting included an in-depth look at our TrueView 535, a dual-purpose mobile mapping and drone LiDAR system. Participants got a first-hand experience of integrating the technology with vehicles, embarking on a test drive to collect mobile mapping data from around the area, and then processing this data with LP360 to generate high-quality point clouds. Overall, everyone was impressed with the versatility of the 535, being able to have one sensor to work a multitude of projects from a drone or attached to a vehicle. Also, they were impressed with the ease of use and the high quality and density of that data. So, if you're interested in learning more about our dual-purpose mobile mapping and drone LiDAR systems, talk to one of our experts today or visit geocue.com.